Windows being delivered. All new windows.
Today we're going to be fitting 7 new windows. So we'll be removing the old ones, blocking up a couple of openings. Enjoy.
Okay, so first window in. So delivery of the windows this morning. First window's in already. Looking good. Take you around the outside to have a look at it as well. There you go, all good. First, the 2 windows coming out. Next one is this one up here. All roughly bricked up. Okay, so this is all what's got done this week. This window's out. It's going to be, well, obviously where it's blocked up to, that's going to be the window size, the finished window size. That's done, both sides all blocked up and boarded up for the weekend. This one's not out yet, but it will be on Monday. Yeah. Side blocked up. And that one's blocked up as well. That's all good. Now all the windows, you've seen the windows at the front, they're all in. Now all the windows at the back and all down the sides are also in. Just set up the expansion beads. These expansion beads, just set them up for the rendering. But unfortunately, temperatures take a bit of a dive, so can't render in this this temperature. So it'll be next week now. I know it looks nice and sunny. Well, it's all right now, but you know, not much of the day left. Okay, this is the cupboard under the stairs, all built, all the frame done.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.